Hey, my name's Kyle from Backcountry Adventure Motorsports, and this is the AltRider Dual Control Brake System. In this video, I'm going to tell you what it is, how to install it, and watch all the way to the end because I'm giving away one of these, and I'll tell you how to get yours for free. As a dual sport and ADV rider, you're constantly changing from a seated to a standing position. This means that your foot is also changing positions as you sit down or stand up. When riding, the average person takes anywhere from a half to a full second to react to an obstacle. Now at 60 miles an hour, you will travel anywhere from 25 to 50 feet before the rider has a chance to react. If your foot isn't already properly positioned on the brake pedal, you're now nearly doubling your reaction time. The AltRider Dual Control Brake System allows you to comfortably and quickly access the rear brake whilst either sitting or standing.
The Dual Control Brake System comes in two parts, the Enlarger and the Riser. The Enlarger is made from billet aluminum. This plate makes it easier to find the brake over the smaller OEM pad and allows for quicker reaction time, essential when your body position and terrain are constantly changing. The Enlarger plate also comes with optional grip pins for more grip and confidence in wet and muddy conditions. The second piece is the riser. When seated, your foot has a natural tendency to be pointed slightly down. Because of this, the motorcycle manufacturers usually have the rear brake pedal slightly lower than the foot peg. When standing on the pegs, your foot is naturally flatter and it requires more effort to reach the rear brake. With the riser installed, a portion of the rear brake is 1 inch higher and much easier to access. Installing the dual control is very easy. Tools needed are a 2mm Allen, a 3mm Allen, an 8mm socket, and some thread locker. Put a drop of thread locker on each of the pins and install the pins in both the Enlarger and the riser with the 2mm Allen. Attach the riser to the Enlarger using a 5mm by 12mm screw with a 3mm Allen. Each dual control is made to fit each model specifically. Align the milled groove on the bottom of the brake Enlarger with the brake surface. Insert the M5 by 35mm screw through the pedal and attach the lower steel plate with the M5 washer and M5 lock nut.
Now, depending on your foot pegs, you may have to rotate your brake lever down 1 notch on the brake stem. I had already done this because I felt that the OEM lever was already too high to begin with. Doing that, you'll notice that this is slightly lower than the foot peg, and then the riser makes it nearly even, making it very comfortable when riding either seated or standing. Now that I've told you what the AltRider Dual Control Brake System is and how to install it, you're probably wondering, how do I win my free one like you were talking about in the beginning of the video? Well, there's 5 ways and 5 chances to win. If you're already a subscriber, you're automatically entered. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button for a chance to win. The second way to win would be comment below and tell me how you could use this on your Africa Twin and where your next adventure is going to be. The third way, find this post on Instagram and share it with your friends. Fourth way, find it on Facebook and share it with your friends. And the fifth way would be to go to my website at backcountryadventuremotorsports.com and enroll in the email list. That's 5 chances to win your dual control brake system from AltRider. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be drawing the winner on January 27th. Good luck.